That is not part of revolution of excellence. Children, sons, and daughters of the Father, magkamali man kayo, ang kamali ninyo, pwede ninyong pangunahan. Pwede kayong magkamali, unahan na ninyo. No complacency. Hindi mo complacent. Get away from that complacency. Get away from that inefficiency. It will not do in the kingdom nation. Wala na there is a kingdom nation. You have enough time. Kaya kailangan mabusisi kayo sa mga ministering ibinigay sa inyo. If you do something and it's not excellent, you have done nothing. Wala kang nagawa. The Father cannot afford in the ministry people who are inefficient. Look at the world. Ang sanlibutan. Can you compete with the world with that kind of a spirit in the kingdom? And we are not in competition with anyone. We are here to please the Almighty Father. This inefficiency and incompetence is not pleasing. Young inefficiency and incompetence is not really pleasing to the Father's Almighty's name and glory. I hate people who are inefficient and who are incompetent. I hate people who are tanga. Mabait ka nga, pero tanga ka, hindi ka rin pupunta ng langit. Kasi yung kabaitan mo, yun ang katangahan mo. Who's your model? Ako. Tanga ba ako? My eyes are open, my ears are open when it comes to the Father's work. There is no room for incompetence and inefficiency. Wala room nasa kuha. You see me, di ba? You see how I work. Become like me. Especially in the area of work. In the area of work in the ministry. Well, I hate people who have been with me for this long and they are still inefficient and incompetent. Gusto ninyong tumaas yung yung pressure ko? Give me people who are stupid, inefficient, and incompetent. Don't know what they're doing. The Father has given you a ministry. Ask wisdom and knowledge so that everything you do is pleasing to the Father Almighty.